Good afternoon, everybody. It's Andrew here from Giordano's Garage. Today I'm going to be doing some basic maintenance on this Bolens side discharge mower. It's a Series E, the 125cc engine. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to change the air filter, how to replace and gap the spark plug, and then how to drain and replace the oil. So I'm going to start with the air filter. So that's actually over here on the side. It's in this housing right over here. So what you do is there's this clip right up here. So you'll just undo that, and then you have this foam filter right here. And what you want to do is you want to replace it, but if it's not that bad, then what you can do is you can just wash it with soap and water and squeeze it out real well, and then you can stick it back on. So once you've cleaned off or gotten a new one of these filters, then you will just stick it right back into the hole there, and then you'll take this cover and you just have to fit it under this little bottom notch right there, and then you snap it back into place up there, and it's that easy. The next thing we'll do is we'll come over here to the front, and we are gonna replace and gap the spark plug on this machine. I don't know the last time that this was replaced, but you want to do it at least annually. So in the springtime, probably the first time you turn on your mower would be my recommendation. But the spark plug is right here, so you come and take the coil boot off like that, and then you'll need a deep socket wrench, and it's going to be a 17 millimeter. So you'll come by, put that on, and then you'll take it off. So that was the spark plug there, and then you'll get your new spark plug. So this right here is the new spark plug. As you can see, it looks quite a bit cleaner than the old one. And what you want to do is you want to get a thickness gauge like this, and I looked it up online, and the thickness that you want is 0.03, and on these you can see that it has it written or stamped. So what you want to do is you want to come in here and you want to stick your thickness gauge in, and you want it to be tight on both sides when it goes in. That's how you know that's the correct thickness. You want to make sure that it has the correct gap in it, because it can get bumped around in the mail when it's getting delivered to the store. Sometimes they'll have like a little cardboard cover on it that'll protect it, but this one just came in a little container like this, so it's good to check. So once you've made sure that the thickness is correct, you'll come back and you'll put it into the machine. And when you get to the part where it's tight, you don't want to over tighten it, but you want to make sure that it's snug. So there you go. And then you'll come back and you'll put the spark plug boot on it, and you're done doing the spark plug. The next thing we're gonna do is change the oil. So this lawnmower doesn't have a drain plug in the bottom, so it's easy to change the oil in it, and it's all you have to do is tip it over on its side. So the oil goes here into the little filler. First you gotta empty it. So you wanna take off this yellow tab right here. This is the dipstick. You just wanna make sure that you have your oil pan here, and then you wanna turn the machine over so you get the oil into the pan. So you can put this stuff on a table, it might make it a little bit easier, but you just go like this. And it will all drain out into the oil pan. So when it's done, you'll just flip it back the right way up. And then the last step is that you'll just put the oil back into the lawnmower. So the oil that goes in here, I looked it up online. It's gonna be 15 ounces of SAE 30. So you're just gonna take a funnel, stick it in your machine, and then you're gonna pour 15 ounces into the machine. So once you're done with that, then you're just gonna stick your dipstick in here, and you're gonna make sure that it comes to the right mark on there. And it's that easy. Well, I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you have any comments or feedback, please let me know. Make sure you give me a like, and then if you would please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.